Hey, this is Tim. I wasn't gonna make a video on this, but I didn't see any other videos on it when I was just looking up, just to kind of get a perspective of the condenser fan. Nobody made a video, but anyway, it's a 7.4 1998 GMC 3500, but this applies to a lot of GM vehicles, Cadillacs, and other stuff like that, and other trucks. But anyway, the condenser fan wasn't working, so the high side was getting really high and cutting off the compressor. Gotta have a condenser fan. Got to have a condenser fan. This one has a regular clutch fan, but it just isn't enough. And a lot of people complain about these Chevrolet trucks and GM trucks, why it doesn't cool as well sometimes when it gets really hot. And that's the main reason. This one came equipped with it. A lot of them don't, and I would suggest getting an aftermarket electric fan for your condenser. But anyway, let's go to this. This is a Continental. It's a 70611M FA, of course, fan assembly, and looks like this here. You got 4 bolts. Okay, you're going to take your grill off, which is pretty simple. You're going to have your 7mm bolts around it, and then undo your 4 Phillips on each light, and then you'll have your little body right here. You just push in, and that's it. The whole grill come out. It's real simple. Like I said, take your lights out with the 4 Phillips head screws. You'll have your 7mm that go around right here. I think 1 2 3 4 on the top there, and you'll have one little hidden one right here in the middle. Make sure you get it in that whole grill right there on this GMC will come out. Very simple. And this is, I'll show you a little bit more here when I start putting it on. Well, this is your where your fan assembly will go. It'll look something similar to this once we get done. It bolts up right here, and you'll have 2 on the bottom. You will have to take this little bottom little sheet off. It's this little one right here. It's just 1 2 3 10mm. It comes right off, no big deal. And you'll take that off, and then you'll be able to get to the bottom 2 bolts on your fan. The plug-in is right here on it, and I'll go ahead and start bolting it up and show you. But I just wanted to show you, this is going to be a lot of reasons why your AC isn't cooling as well as it should, especially if it gets over 90 degrees. That condenser has got to be cooled. So we'll start putting it together. Hold on one second. Oh man. Alright, you got 2 bolts on the bottom, of course. We'll get those in just 1 second. Go ahead and plug yourself in. That's pretty much it. You can pressure nice. Thanks for watching.
Hey, so also guys, if you want, you can check out my channel, Taylor8128. It's for kids. All my videos, so give it a subscribe because I'm low on subscribers. And goodbye.